truck. Well, let's go see Kiwi.
Hey, where are you? Waiting in the Mustang.
Oh, where did you go? How's it going over good? We're filming.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Hey, what
Yeah. Well, this should be a bit of a demo.
Oh, it's for safety.
For safety.
I personalize it for you too.
Now, this will expose me on the UTG? Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good.
So I can't have anything happening to you, man. You're like a constant source of content for me. There you go. Now you're styling, man.
As you can see, I've got a fairly big scum.
You got a giant head.
I've got a giant head.
Yeah, very nice.
It's full of something.
It's impressive. All right. So, hey, I was in the area. I was actually doing some very impressive things with very important people.
Okay.
And I was passing by.
Chick-fil-A, for lunch? Is that what you're doing?
That's not funny, kid. So, I was passing by. I was talking Mopar Al this morning.
Right.
We got the stroker kit coming for.
Yeah, they should hopefully be here this week.
Okay.
Doing a 505 cubic inch stroker.
Ooh. So a couple of months ago, we did the teardown on the 446 pack motor that is going in his No Name Nationals car, and this is like a collaboration between Kiwi and Mopar Al, and it's going to actually happen in our shop. So it's like I get to muscle in on other people's stuff. Troll fodder right there. So Stroker's coming in this week.
Should be, yeah.
All right.
We've been waiting for several months for that to become available.
You're lucky to get anything these days.
It is. You
Right?
really are.
What is it? What's the kit?
It's H-beam rods, forged like 10.5 to 1 compression piston.
Okay.
Yeah, the stroke of crank 4 1/4 stroke,
Okay.
and a 30 thou over bore, so the 4350 bore. So the block's already bored,
Right.
as you explained on your show. So we've just really put it together and
So just
pulled the trigger.
oh, we've never showed the people the car.
Probably not.
Can we show them the car?
Sure.
Let's do this.
What?
Yeah, Cat, lead the way.
Follow me.
Hey, what's this small gun over here?
This old girl, this is a cool old car, this one. It's a Survivor car, 60 Corvette.
What?
What? It's a 1960 Corvette, small block. I'm not sure that I'm guessing it's a 327. 4-speed car, so that's kind of cool. Just a real time capsule, really.
Yeah, it's
This
just
is
fun.
what they were like back in the day.
See, this is how I like them, man. It's real. It's an honest car.
Yeah, the dash is faded. I love the steering wheel. It's little flexible, flat.
With a little tiny
steering.
shifter.
Yeah. If you run into anything, this is going to go.
Yeah, no, that's what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be lightweight, you know, race car stuff.
Once they have really, so this connects as you choose together.
Yeah, tell me how the Corvette went from something so cool and so tight to something so pretentious. And how did that happen?
I don't know.
I love these cars. I
Yeah.
love these cars.
All Thunderbird's kind of do the same thing. They went from a little 2-seat sports car up to a 4-door suicide door Thunderbird in '67, which I had one years ago. But they just became a big battlefield instead of a sports car.
All right, let's go look at the Barracuda.
Yep.
I respect this car too much to put a sticker on it,
As opposed to the Mustang.
as opposed to the Mustang.
Yeah, you can see
So So does this mean we have to banter all the way across the parking lot?
Well, you have to go across the red hot black tarmac.
Yeah. Dude, I don't know if I could banter that long.
Yeah. I believe you're rebuilding a 727 transmission back at UTG.
Yes, yes. Yeah, if you need me to test drive anything, let me know.
Yeah, okay, you're on the top of the list.
If you need any tips, pointers, you know what I mean? You can see I gave you a shout out in the Bondo video. Now, you can be hanging around my shop doing this car. I don't need you stealing my methods.
Your technology?
My technology. It's got to stay sacred. You know, there's a lot of stuff I don't show these people.
Well, I'm sure there is. It's a family show, isn't it? So, you know.
So is this what it's going to look like when it's done?
Like that?
Yeah.
No, that's a Mustang.
They're all the same thing.
Okay. Not been open for a while. Give it a heat. There you go.
Oh, nice. I haven't seen this in a while.
It's been a while. It's one of those stored projects that most of us car guys have. I built the rear wing and stuff on it. I just thought it helped the coupe.
Yeah. Well, this
aesthetics of it. But this is a car that I picked up, word of mouth, and that's when I first met you.
This is how we met, actually.
Yeah.
I bought a bunch of parts off of you.
Yeah, and you went up, you helped me like pull this literally out. It was literally a barn find. It wasn't
That's
a barn.
right. That's right.
There was things living in it. There was
you know,
cars everywhere.
I still have that guy's helmet.
Oh, really?
I felt bad. It was like the dead guy's helmet, and he put stickers and everything all over it.
Yep.
And I was like, I can't just throw this out, you can't sell it. So it's actually in my garage to this day.
Huh,
I felt bad for him.
That's cool.
You know.
Yeah.
So.
But I bought this one. I bought a couple of dusters, and some of the duster parts went into this, and but this is an original Barracuda S, and it was a 273 4-speed car originally.
Okay.
Pushing the motor
can you get up in here and
gone.
get a look at it?
But
and this, I think anything over 380, 390 miles an hour, and this is going to make a big difference.
it's going to drag and slow us down.
No, this will stabilize it.
Huh?
This will stabilize it.
I think so.
So it's original 273 4-speed car.
Yeah.
And this is getting the full 46 pack with the 4-speed.
Yes.
You have that stuff up front?
I think the 4-speed's up there. It's a little bit dark up there, but.
Can we open that sidebar?
Yep. Sneaking through this tight gap much easier than me can. Where's Tony gone? Oh, he's gone round the Whacky. Oh, what was that?
It's locked. Oh, the ramp was coming up.
Oh, okay. I thought you ran into the trailer, like you didn't see it or something.
So Mopar Al and you are going to turn this into a car in less than 90 days.
Yeah, that's the plan.
It's about 85 days right now.
Because people are going to stop ringing me, booking cars in. And people are going to stop wanting their cars fixed. And it's going to give me 90 days to make this happen.
Well, if anybody can do it, it's you and Mopar Al.
Well, yeah.
You know, I'll make coffee runs for you guys.
It's not going to be a typical Kiwi Classics pretty mobile, but it'll make some noise and we'll have some fun. And
this is
it's a 4-speed, which is technically not the best thing for drag racing and all that kind of stuff.
Dude,
but
it's the first Kiwi's rat rod.
Yeah, it's the transmission.
Nice. 18 spline. Oh my God, I'm not worthy. That's pretty neat. Okay. So this is a B-body trans.
I guess so, yeah. I believe it came from a 69 Charger.
Okay. Now, that ought to be interesting.
Well, it came from the same car that the motor came from.
That's no challenge for Mopar Al.
No.
No. Done. It's in there. flywheel, clutch. Is this stuff any good? Oh no. Look, it's a girly man clutch.
What's a girly man clutch?
All of them fingers.
Oh, really?
Yeah, diaphragm. Yeah,
Right.
real men, 3 finger.
Oh,
Yeah.
right.
Right. Oh, that's cool. So, when is this coming to the shop?
Oh, man, that's a good question. Honestly, it's a good question. And I got to get it there soon.
The clock is ticking, brother.
So did Tony make a bulk purchase on these ETG stickers or something? Like, what's the deal? Like, he's walking around like just sticking them on anything that stays still long enough.
Well, I just, I'm trying to promote the channel.
Well, fair
We're losing subscribers and
Yeah.
viewership is down, so I'm doing everything I can to
enough.
pump it up a little bit.
There you go.
Hey, do you have a couple of bucks I can borrow? Nah, I'm joking. We'll talk about it later.
owe you $100.
Yeah, that's it.
do.
All right.
I do.
All right. So this week, can we get this to the shop this week? Al is going to need every minute, literally
Yeah.
every minute.
Yeah. Yeah. That door's wanting to shut. Yeah, we should be able to get it over there. If not this week, this weekend.
Okay.
One of the two.
I'll make sure there's room for it.
Okay.
And
It'll feel quite at home in there with all the other Mopars.
oh yeah.
Okay.
I
I give up on the
I hope
door.
they don't reproduce because I've had enough. Yeah, I'm done. You know what I'm saying? I'm done.
So yeah, I mean, I guess we really just need to have it wide enough to start, and maybe a little bit of the grill and stuff back in it, and things like that. And
You have the headers and all?
no,
Gotta get on that.
got to buy heaters,
Yeah. Gotta get on that.
and that'll mount onto that cross member. Okay.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
We got the motor on the crossmember, but headers are going to be a thing
Right.
for sure. It's all dark in here now.
I'd love to be able to have the time to, put a better, like a rack and pinion steering setup in it, and a little short column, give us room for headers, but I'm just not sure where the time's going to come from.
The clock is ticking.
The clock is
The
ticking.
clock is ticking. Let's get this to the shop ASAP, and
Okay.
let's get the machine.
Yeah.
Mopar Al on it.
All right.
And you guys can follow things that are happening with the engine now on Mopar Al's channel. I think he's building the motor at his place.
I'm not too sure, to be honest.
Yeah, Al's building the motor for this at his place, and then this car's coming to my place, and we'll all jump in at the last minute and get it down to the No Name Nationals.
No Name National. So, anybody thinks they're good enough to race a 505 cubic inch Barracuda, just let me know.
Ah, is that a call? That's an invitation to
It's
a
an
call out.
invitation.
Is there anybody who you want to call out?
2 Hacks Garage.
2 Hacks Garage.
Yeah, why not?
All right.
Why not?
Are
I
you-
kind of like the Thunderbird they're building.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
I don't know whether they'll be faster or I'll be faster. I have no clue, honestly, but well, hey, we'll have a bit of fun finding out.
That's it, guys. So the call out is to 2 Hacks Garage.
There you go.
And
That should start things percolating, shouldn't it?
create a buzz.
Yeah.
All right, that's it, guys. Well,
What
it's
are you
hot in
doing?
here. Let's get out of
Sweat
Leave
box.
Kathy
Man.
behind. Let her just
That's
film
not very
all this
nice.
stuff. Woo. See you tomorrow.